A deer's hearing is amazing, and those of us that spend a lot of time in the woods know this. But let me stress, amazing. Especially while outfitting, we've seen it often that a hunt can be blown before anyone even knows it or ever knows it. Big old bucks don't usually let you know that they've busted you, and because their hearing is better than our sight, they can often pick up a noise and leave without us ever seeing or knowing that it happened. And that's why being quiet on stand is so imperative, and not just at prime time, at all times while on stand. Mature bucks are famous for staging up, getting close to edges or feet and hanging up. And what they're doing is constantly sweeping the area for danger, looking and listening. We've had big old bucks come to within 30 yards and stage up for 2 to 3 hours before moving the next 20 yards to a field or feed. 2 to 3 hours, and that's just the encounters that we've noticed. Any noise with clangs or bangs in that time period and the hunt for that deer at that spot is likely over. We talk a lot about scent control, scent reduction, and elimination, and it's very important. But just as important is ensuring that every moment on stand is as quiet as possible, as that big buck could quite literally just be waiting for a reason to bust.